Hi, Jeff Salmons with Houseworks.
Hey everybody, I'm Pam with Inspect It Like a Girl.
And I'm Jason from Fix It 101.
We're going to show you a few tips on how to maintain your home. Let's install a receptacle. Very simple, do not be intimidated. First tool you need is a power indicator. Make sure the power is off. Put that inside the slot. If it does not light up, the power is off. Safe to work. Next thing you want to do, take a screwdriver, unhook the wires on the back. There is either going to be 2 or 4. Take your new switch. Make sure your wires are stripped to the proper depth. Take a pair of needle nose pliers and simply curl this like so. Put it on that screw. Put it back in the wall, turn your breaker on, you've just installed a switch. It is not intimidating, it is very simple.